Investigators are trying to figure out the cause of a fire that sparked an explosion at a home in eastern Kentucky. It happened around 6:30 this morning on Cape Patton Branch, just east of Salyersville.
An oxygen tank exploded, destroying the home. And here's a look at what's left of the structure. WKYT's Sam Smith is in Magoffin County with reaction from a neighbor who has lived next door for decades. It's our top story at noon. Sam?
As you can see behind me, the home is completely gone. The rubble is smoldering with flames still poking out. The home somehow caught fire this morning. The elderly couple living here were able to get out of the house in time without any injuries. Around 6:30, the home exploded. Investigators say an oxygen tank inside the home caused that explosion. As for what caused the fire, it's still unknown. Officials are looking into the possibility of it stemming from an electrical source, possibly a space heater. I talked with a neighbor that lived next to the couple for 30 years.
When I got here, I just didn't know what was going on. I just didn't want. I want to make sure it was all right and everything, you know, just as long as they got out of the house. I mean, I hate that they lost everything, but you know, it happens, you know.
Again, the folks living here were able to make it out okay and were taken to a hospital as a precaution. In Magoffin County, Sam Smith, WKYT.
Sam, thank you very much. And crews are working to restore power in that area. Only 2 homes are impacted right now.